Welcome to my FIVERR gig. I create custom interactive quiz videos that will captivate your audience. What is the capital city of United States? Answer B. Washington, D.C. Facebook was originally called the Facebook. True or false? Yes, it's true. Can you guess the logo? It's Pepsi. And can you guess the country by emoji? France. Would you rather pizza or burger? Do you want to test my works? Do you need discount? Order now to get your high-quality custom quiz videos or send a message to see my works.